Hey guys, I just wanted to share the brief QD mounts I have been looking into for my airsoft rifle essentially. I couldn't find any videos on how the different systems were working, so here I have the Magpul, the Blue Force gear, and the Strike Industries one, and the BCM M-Lock QD mount. So first one, we have the Magpul, where we have two buttons on each side that you have to slide forward in order to engage the quick release system, and slide forward to pull it out again. And we have the most common one with the button in the middle from Blue Force gear that you have to push into, insert it, and push into to unlock it. And then the one I like the most so far is the Strike Industries one. That where you have a button on each side that you push into, like this. I think this one is the easiest one to use for like quick CQB in and out of the sling type. Yeah, that's it.